Make the best use of your trading day. What should you do? How should you structure your trading day to get the best out of it so that you can give yourself the best chance for success and make the most money? We're going to talk about it right now. I'll give you 4 steps that we use in our Discord to go to 100K. Watch this video. There's other traders in the Discord doing 100K per month. I can show you how to get there, but you've got to follow these steps. Do you want them? All right, let's get it. Make the best use of your trading day. All right. How should you structure your day? Let's go over the 4 steps now, and I'm going to go in detail and give you the layout of what you need to do. Before you do that, click the link attached to the video, guys. Come into the Discord where folks are absolutely crushing this thing and taking their trading game to the next level. All right. Now, you don't have to believe me. Of course, there's testimonials out there. So when you come into the Discord here, click this link right here, click the testimonials, and folks, just the other day, just noticed I'm 3 months profitable after maybe 7 months of losing. My goodness, folks will come into the Discord, take the training, understand how to trade, listen in, take the continuous education in the tier 3 channel, and they'll go to the bank. All right. So how do you structure your day? All right. What should you be doing so that you improve and make money? Now, why am I making this video? This video is specifically for those who are the killer whales inside of tier 3 access. Link is below. And many folks have something that trade in the Discord and just in the trading world. There's something called trader fatigue that you may not know about. Has this ever happened to you? Have you started trading and then for whatever reason you start making unforced errors, or you just start slipping and you say to yourself, well, why did I do that? Well, this is because you need better structure in your day, and you need to build up endurance and mental fortitude. You need to practice mindfulness. All right, so go watch this video about practicing mindfulness and the mind of a trader. That'll help you understand how you should trade and what you should be looking at throughout the day. But we're going to talk about 4 things you need to be doing to structure your day to give yourself the best setup to win and be profitable. All right, so here we go. Number 4, the first thing you're going to have to do is make sure you schedule your trading time consistently every single day. So this means that you should be trading the exact same time every single day. Your trading time should be structured in a way where you don't trade the morning session one day and then the next day you trade the close, and then you like the open, and then the next day I missed the close, and you're chasing everything. You are okay with trading the exact same scheduled time that you trade every single day so that you can get the best out of yourself. Why is that impactful? You need to develop proper KPIs. You need to develop and understand what's driving your behaviors. In order to do that, you've got to write it down. You've got to have consistent metrics to do that. You've got to trade the same time every single day. So that's number 4, scheduled trading time. That's the same time every single day. And if you do that, you'll be able to get the metrics. You'll see consistency. Now, what will help you while you have the same trading time is, yes, come into the Discord, click tier 3, and this is where we are throughout the day. This is continuous education, and it's going to help you, or any trading community. I prefer you to join mine. It is a superior community to help you understand how to trade. But this area right here is where the call outs and where all that cool stuff is, my trade thesis, so you can understand my levels. And if your scheduled time is the same as mine, then I'm almost holding your hand to understand the market. All right, so that's number 4. Schedule the same trading time every single day. Okay, number 3, schedule personal time throughout the day. What is personal time? All right, so I don't know if anyone has ever told you this, but if you got a healthy mind, a healthy body, you got a healthy mind. They go hand in hand. So you need time for water intake. You need time for exercise. You need time for spending time with your family. You need time to clear your mind. And if you are a day trader, you cannot sit in front of the screen every day, all day, every week, all month, all year. You have to break it up. you have to step away. You got to have some personal time. So whether that includes reading books, whether that includes spending time with your family, which I thoroughly encourage, or spending time with loved ones, whether that includes exercise, which should be at the top of your list, water intake should be at the top of your list, moving around, stretching, etc. These things help the body, which impact the mind, so that you can get yourself to the next level. All right. So number 3, schedule personal time. All right. Number 2, you need to schedule paper trading time. Paper trading time, time where you are going to be in a live environment, paper trading the Wealth Wells way. Now, I've done a video, watch this video here on how to paper trade the Wealth Wells way. And I show traders what they should do in order to get the most out of a demo account, not a sim account, a demo account to paper trade. You heard me right. You have to schedule that time every day so that you can improve in a live environment. What will that do? It will drastically improve your ability to read the market and execute your trades. All right. So that's number 2. All right. So number 4, schedule your trading time. Number 3, schedule your personal time. Number 2, schedule your paper trading time. And the number one thing that you should be doing to make the best use of your trading day, these things should happen every single day. Number 1, schedule time to review. Schedule time to review. And it would help, listen to me, it would help if you're not reviewing only after market. Why can't you review midday? Why can't you review mid-session? Why can't you, carve out 5 minutes to stop and review? So let me show you what we use in the Discord in order to improve our setups and in order to improve. Now, I use something called the Wealth Wells 90-day day trading journal. This is not a plug to buy the journal. The journal works. It's not on trial. People have it. People love it. It's up to you if you want to get it. This is what I use. It is a hard copy journal. Why do I use a hard copy journal instead of an online tracker or a digital journal or some type of website? It's because there is a connection between the mind and the muscle, and you writing things down, remembering them, and then following it up with action. Right? There's a connection there. And so I know that, psychologists know that, other traders know that. So there's some mechanical actions that you've got to take in order to be better in the market. Writing things physically down is part of that. So go get it. The link will be attached to this video. But I'm going to share with you one review method inside of the journal right now. All right. So if on one of our pages here, this is just a portion of the page. I will not show it all to you. You got to get the journal. But this is a portion of our page, and this happens after every day, but you can do this after every session. The first thing I have traders do is grade themselves. Now, based on your grade in my Discord, you're going to get specialized coaching. All right. So if you were to come into this channel right here, Trade Discussion, Trade Recaps, we've got grades and other things happening, and I craft trade plans and or feedback based on that. All right. This page here is for your own personal tracking, so you can improve once you understand how to structure a trade plan and what type of trader you should be. But here's just some very high level things, right? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to grade you, right? You're going to grade yourself to understand what did you do today? Like how did you perform? How do you feel about it? We're not talking about money. We're talking about proper trade execution. We're talking about, did you follow your trade plan? We're talking about a couple of those KPIs, right? Then you're going to write a paragraph on why you gave yourself the grade. And that paragraph shouldn't just be something stupid like I rock or I was good today. No, you need to break down why you took your trades, what your setups were, what's the repeatable action, and what you kind of watched out for so that you didn't get caught up. After that, we've got a thesis. Did you follow your trade thesis? Did you enter at your levels with confirmation? I am a levels trader. I use the VVP trading system, and it is a superior system. It works, hands down, no doubt about it. Now you want to see, well, did I follow it? And then there's other questions that I ask, that I help you to ask, so that you can really start to build a trade plan and identity. Did you protect your profit? How? And we go down the rabbit hole. Now, you don't have to wait to the end of the day. You can do this midday or mid-session as many times as you need to slow yourself down so that you actually come out of the day with some skills, right? You come out the day with an improved skill set and you're getting even better, and the profits will follow. All right, so let's recap. We've been discussing make the best use of your trading day. What is KD doing? What are the killer whales doing? What are those who are making 6 figures a week or a month in the market doing? What are the high-level traders doing? Number 4, they've scheduled a specific time to trade every single day. They do not go outside of that. They stick to it. Number 3, they've got personal time. They're balanced people, right? They understand that they've got to be balanced in mind and body in order to execute in this very emotional and physical business and sport called day trading. Then number 2, they have paper trading or practice schedules. Prop firms, Wall Street, they all have scheduled times. Typically it's before, during, and after the market. There's always recaps. There's always practice time. They've got time what they've scheduled to paper trade. You should paper trade the Wealth Wells way. Get out of those sim environments. They're not helping you. And then the number 1, if you have scheduled time to review your trades, and here's the trick. Don't wait to the end of the day. Why not pause? When you guys are talking with me inside the Discord and I'm taking trades, I am coaching you through my trade. I'm coaching you. You're asking me questions. I'm talking to you. Do you know what that does for me? That is a review method. That shows that I know how to recognize the trade, and I can review the trade, and I can predict the next move because I have done it so many times and I understand what I'm looking for. And that's the only way to get to a high level. You have to know yourself, know the market, know the ticker, know your setup, know your system, no volume, no volatility, no price action. In order to get there, you've got to do these 4 things. All right. So what should you do from here? Well, of course, I'm going to encourage you. Boom, take training. You can grab my setups. You can get the core training. You can get the ebook. All that stuff is either available now or by the weekend. You'll have it. You need to understand, in order to get better, you've got to humble yourself and get training. Now, here's the problem. There's a lot of jabronis. I'm sure you've taken training, some $2 training from somebody else. This ain't that. All you have to do is look at the reviews, and you can look at the results more importantly. But you're going to have to put the work in and use what I'm telling you guys here on YouTube, on social media, and in my trainings. You're going to have to craft it all together so that you can structure a proper approach for yourself and grow every single day. And it starts with the core training right here, no doubt about it. Our ebook is How to Day Trade with a Full-Time Job. Go get on the list or grab the book. There are steps and paired video trainings, just like my setups, but they're only for the book. They're only for full-time jobbers, and they will not be released here. It will only be paired with the book, and you'll have the opportunity to get that and take your trading game to the next level. So this has really been something to help you guys. I hope make the best use of your trading day, how you should structure your day. Here are the 4 steps. Do yourself a favor. Come into the Discord so that you can take your game to the next level. KD for the Wealth Wells, signing out.